under the shroud of storm-clouded skies, 3 members of the Whisperers' paranormal investigation team gathered at the foot of the Alps. Anna, a seasoned investigator, led the group, flanked by Mark, the tech expert, and Chloe, the local folklore researcher. The sun dipped below the peaks, casting long shadows that danced like spectral fingers over the rugged landscape. They stood at the edge of a small village, the locals having already shared whispered warnings over glasses of schnapps. Anna recounted the tale of the Whispering Gorge, hikers who had ventured into the mist never to be seen again. The wind, they said, carried voices that beckoned them to descend into its depths. Even the bravest turned back, yet some succumbed to the seductive call and vanished forever. Prepared with cameras, audio recorders, and night vision equipment, the team resolved to document what lay beneath the gorge's eerie surface. Chloe was visibly anxious. Her notebook brimmed with scribbled myths and half-forgotten legends collected from reluctant villagers. They described the gorge as a place where reality itself twisted, where time slipped like water through fingers, and where the dead walked among the living. As they set up camp for the night, a chilling breeze whistled through the nearby pines. It was only the beginning. As dawn broke, the air was thick with a palpable sense of anticipation mixed with dread. The team moved cautiously towards the gorge's entrance, the sound of their footsteps smothered by the soft earth beneath. They paused at the sight of gnarled trees bent over the path like ancient sentinels. Each twisted trunk seemed etched with bizarre symbols and cryptic carvings, resonating with Chloe's research into alpine myths of woodland spirits. Anna activated their audio equipment, ensuring every whisper of wind was captured. As they ventured deeper, the recordings picked up faint murmurs, too faint to understand, yet distinct enough to unnervingly suggest conversation. Mark fiddled with the devices, hoping to isolate the sounds for analysis, but found them frustratingly elusive. More unnerving still was the growing awareness that the whispers constantly hovered just outside the bounds of comprehension. Ahead, the path widened into a rocky ledge, revealing the gorge's gaping mouth. Mark, overtaken by curiosity, threw a stone into its depths. The stone disappeared without a sound, swallowed whole by the impenetrable darkness. All 3 felt an invisible pressure, a force as intangible as the wind, but as potent as fear itself, urging them back while simultaneously pulling them forward. Their journey had only just begun.